Hey everyone! Renate from CraftyRenate here. Welcome back to my channel in 2019. Let me first start by wishing you all a very happy new year. I hope you had great holidays and I hope you're excited about this new year, new opportunities, and just sort of like a fresh start. As you can probably tell by some of the decorations behind me, it's still very much Christmas in my house. That's because I don't put away my Christmas decorations until after Three Kings Day, which is the 6th of January. So I still have a couple of days to enjoy that Christmas atmosphere in my house. Christmas is definitely my favorite time of year because I just love the coziness and the lights and the decorations and everything. It's just so festive and so warm and so cozy. So I really like that. And to stay in that mood for a little while longer, I thought it would be fun as a first video of this year to show you the Christmas presents I got. Of course, Christmas is not about presents. We all know that. I just love spending time with my family and I just love watching Christmas movies and, as I said, the coziness of the decorations, to enjoy all of that. But one thing that is always fun, of course, is the presents underneath the Christmas tree. So yes, without further ado, I'm going to show you what I got this year. The first present I got are these beautiful fingerless gloves. I had some of these in a different color, but I lost one a long time ago and I've been so sad about it because I have some up to here, but that's not always practical to wear because they're so long. So I wanted some shorter ones, but for some reason they're really hard to find around here. I don't understand, and if you can find them, they're usually just in black. So I wanted a nice color, so when I saw these, I put them on my Christmas wish list immediately, and I'm really glad that I got these as a present because I am so happy to have some new ones, and the color goes really, really nicely with my new coat, so that's fun too. Yes, I've been wearing them ever since I got them, pretty much every day. Every time I go out, I have them on, so I will put these to good use, that's for sure. I also got this really cute candy cane pencil. I still have to sharpen it, but I just wanted to show you before I did. It is so cute. I love fun things like this, especially when it comes to pens and pencils and notebooks and sticky notes and things like that. I have the weirdest things like carrots that are actually pens and things like that. So this is right up my alley and I will be using it. But it's so pretty, you almost don't want to use it, but it's also really fun to use. So I am going to sharpen this and use it. It's just so fun. I can already see myself writing with this. Very cute. The next thing is something I have loved for years, but I didn't want to buy it for myself because, especially with jewelry, I always think it's more special when you get it as a present from someone, even if you do put it on your wish list. You know, it then links that piece of jewelry to a person. And I don't know, I just really like that for some reason. So I started putting it on my wish list for my birthday and Christmas, and I got it. So I'm really happy because I had my eye on this for a long time. It's a beautiful necklace. It's a heart, a silver heart, as you can see, and it's glow in the dark. So it's really cool. It lights up blue, a light blue, and it's so beautiful. But I love it when it's not glowing as well. I think it's really, really beautiful. But of course, when it glows, it just looks so magical. It comes with a keychain with UV light, and then you can charge it instantly so that you don't have to wait a couple of hours before it gets charged. You probably can't see it very well right now because it's super light here, but what I really like about it is that, well, first of all, it's really, really beautiful, and second, it also, even though it's crazy bright and light here right now with the studio lighting, you can still see it a little bit. So from the moment it's not super bright light, but just a more dim light, it already glows, so you don't have to wait until it's pitch black. So I really love that. I'm going to be wearing this a lot, and It's very tempting to just also hang it somewhere in my bedroom or something, that when I wake up in the middle of the night I see it and it glows. It's just really, really nice. The next thing is a beautiful desk calendar, and it has these wonderful drawings, and you can just change the date here. Oops. So yeah, you get it, right? You can change the date, and then every month you get a new beautiful drawing, and it also always looks really pretty in the back. So if you change it in the front, it also changes in the back. You see that? So it's really, really pretty, and I love these types of things where you can change the date and it lasts you forever, so there's no year on it, which I really like. So this is so beautiful. I'm still not sure where I'm gonna put it because it's so nice. Part of me wants to put it in my home office, but another part of me wants to put it in my art and craft studio, so I'm not sure yet. It's been, first I moved it upstairs to my art and craft studio, and then I brought it downstairs because, yeah, I wanted to see it here. So I'm not sure yet, but it will get a really nice spot somewhere in the house. This next gift is handmade, and I love that. I mean, every gift is obviously given with love, so every gift is special. But when it's handmade, it's, you know, something extra, I think, because you know that the person put a lot of effort and time and love into it. So I love that. And this is a beautiful wooden snowman. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? He's so cute. Or she. I think it looks like a he. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below what you think. Is it a he or a she? So my dad actually made this out of wood, and then my mom made these, the little scarf and this, and, you know, decorated it to make it look like it has eyes and everything. Isn't that just so pretty? I love that. And this is not just a Christmas thing. I'm gonna keep him in my decor for the entire winter because snowman is winter, not specifically Christmas. So you're gonna stay with me here for the entire winter. It's so cute, isn't it? I just love that. I really wanna learn how to do that, you know, make things on the turning bench, or what do you call it? Yeah, I think that would be fun to do, but knowing me, I would probably get injured right away. So I would definitely need some safety glasses and stuff, because if I start doing something like this, within 5 minutes I'll probably have a splinter in my eye otherwise, because I'm just prone to accidents. But yes, so cute. The next present is a beautiful little soy wax candle. And don't be fooled by its size. Let me take it out. Look, it looks really small, but I've had one of these before and they burn so long. The packaging says 8 hours, and I truly believe that because I just need to smell it. Sorry, it just smells so good. I wish I could let you sniff it. But it burns for a really long time, and it's soy wax, so there's no soot or anything. And soy wax is supposed to be healthier to burn. I usually have normal candles. It's probably not a good thing, but yeah, soy wax candle. And what's really fun about this as well is that you don't just get the lovely scent from the essential oils and the coziness of the candle, but there's also a little charm in the bottom. So when the candle has burned completely down, when it's completely, you know, burnt up, you get a charm in the bottom. So that's really, really nice. And the last one, I should have got it from upstairs, but in the last one there was a silver rose, and it had a little clasp on it so you could hook it onto something. Really cute. So I'm very curious to see what's in this one, but first I'm gonna enjoy the way it smells and the way it looks. I also got a scratchy ticket from the lottery, and it has a little bunny on the envelope, which I of course really like because, you know, I love my bunnies, right? I didn't actually win anything with my scratchy ticket, but I got the scratchy tickets from the other ones, from the other people that were here on Christmas Eve, because I was hosting and they just gave it as a present. So these are some winning lottery tickets. So I got €4 from that, and I still have to cash these in. Always nice, you can already do something with €4. And then speaking of money, I also got an envelope with money for New Year's, which is not technically a Christmas gift, but a New Year's gift. But yeah, I'm obviously not gonna open it because, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna put this to good use. I don't know yet exactly what I'm gonna buy with it, or if I'm gonna buy one really expensive item or a few things that are less expensive. But I definitely want it to be something that I've been wanting for a long time, and that I maybe wouldn't buy otherwise, or I can't buy right now. I just want it to be something very special. So I still have to think about that, but I will put it to good use for sure. That was it for my Christmas gift haul. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite gift of the things I showed you was. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I would love to see more of you on my subscriber list in this new year. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you again next week with a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!